Hello. And welcome to the channel. In this video, I will repair this LED lamp. It is a lamp that mounts on the ceiling. I have them all over my house and I had the luck that 3 of them broken at the same time. The costs of one lamp like this is between 15 and 20 euros depending where you buy. My repair will cost around 30 cents each and 15 minutes of work. So, let's start disassembling. Remove the screws and the diffuser. As you can see, this lamp only has a LED strip inside. Remove one of the wires and remove the strip. It is glued. This type of strips have the LEDs in series, so when one or more are burned the whole lamp won't function. Now I will check with the tester to see how many LEDs are burned. As you can see, there are 5 LEDs that we need to replace. This LED strip is flexible and made of plastic, so don't use too much heat to unsolder. I have my hot air station set up to 300 degrees Celsius. Add flux and new solder to the strip. Now we solder the new LEDs using the soldering iron at 300 degrees Celsius. The pads on the strip are wider than the actual LED, so we have no problem using the soldering iron because we have place to put the iron near the LED and melt the solder. When I solder each LED, I put pressure on the each end to solder the LED flush to the and use flux. Using flux soldering is very easy. Now check the strip to see if everything works fine and proceed with the assembly. As you saw, it is a simple repair. I saved around 40 euros doing this repairs. If I could do it, you can do it too. So, guys, this is all for today. If you like the video, please consider to give a like and subscribe. It is free and help the channel a lot. And if you didn't like to leave a comment. Thank you for your time and see ya in the next video. Bye bye.